Hey, what's up? All right, let's get this bike on this bike stand. So hey, we moved the bike stand kind of from right here to over here. It just worked better. I, I had the shifter all the way, but now it's kind of jumping around, so we don't want that. So it is going to this first gear, so that's good. Yeah, and we already adjusted it, but we adjusted this tension adjustment screw to get the arm in the correct spot, so it's not hunting to find where it wants the gear to be. And then we turned this high limit screw and this low limit screw so the chain doesn't fall off. And we just didn't use this one just because it was too short. You could rotate the bike. It was just easier to. I brought one, so we used this one. So yeah, I just want to show that it's working. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 7, 6, 7, and it sounds great. Hey, check it out! Electric bike on the rack. It's not super stable, but hey, anyways, yeah, I'll see you later.